So the next part of the Golden Triangle was our visit to Jaipur. We visited an all-woman project called the Anoothi project, where they taught women how to do block printing, which had traditionally been the realm of men.
No, they taught me as well, Peg.
We loved it there, and they showed us all of the different things they made, and we actually had a go at block printing ourselves.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
I wasn't very good. I was very disappointed with my effort.
Peg had a look at some of the dresses they've got for sale and ended up with this beautiful scarf.
At least I knew that was my size.
I think all the dresses are a bit small, really, weren't
They were all a bit small. I think Indian women are a bit smaller than me.
We then got back on the coach and we went for a lovely lunch.
It was good. So we just had time for a quick freshen up at the hotel before we were out for our cooking class. A number of us had a go at helping our cook and her nanagee, her grandmother, to do the cooking, and we had traditional Rajistani food.
It was beautiful.
Hey guys, when you cross the road, please do not run or right, or do not hesitate, don't stop or anything, because you can confuse the driver. Yeah, right? So just slowly keep walking together. ₹200 for all these per piece, 100 rupees per piece for this rings.
So lots of people tried to sell their wares to us wherever we were in India, and they'd come up to the coach and try and get on to sell their stuff. So Jay acted as interpreter to tell us how much each of the items were.
I don't think anybody ever bought anything.
100 rupees for one. You can hang it next to your curtains, in the entrance. They're all elephants. Anyone? Oh, magic begins.
Sing a song with it.
Anyone? He is asking 1,000 rupees.
So we needed to abandon the bus and get into jeeps to go up the steep, narrow lanes towards the Amber Fort.
We had some very persistent salesmen come to the back of our jeeps trying to sell us their wares.
So the Amber Fort was one of my favourite forts that we saw in the whole of India in our tour. It had loads of playful architecture. We had a fantastic guide, yoo-hoo! And he showed us all the different things they'd done with the architecture, and this fantastic mirrored room where there was a mirror that we got our photo taken.
Yeah, it was really clever.
Yeah, it was all very beautifully done. Out of all of the forts that we visited, this one was definitely my favourite. The Amber Fort, or Amber Fort as it's also called, was actually built in the 1600s, and it was expanded later on there. And it's also linked through an underground passage to a fort that's higher up. So all of the people within the fort could escape if anybody came to attack them.
Wow, sounds amazing.
It was amazing. I thought it was very clever, and I really like the architecture in there.
Two for $10.
Two for $10.
For $10, you pay 800 only. 800 rupees.
I was absolutely adamant that under no circumstances I was going to buy one of these hats.
how do I feel about me the Bollywood experience?
You were brilliant.
Oh, that's very kind of you. I think I could do with a few more lessons before I could say that.
It was super.
Oh, thank you, Julie.
It was super and a lovely venue. Rob, you're on camera. Would you like to tell me about your... How did you find that experience?
I found it quite easy. It didn't take much energy, to be honest. I breezed through it. I got all the steps first time. I'm just sorry that the rest of the team weren't as good as me. I mean, who's one people that's doing? It's just a shame.
Well, you were really busting some moves there, I can tell you that much.
That's what it's all about.
Yeah.
The others.
It was brilliant. You were all brilliant.
We're joined by the lovely Ashley.
Hi.
Hi, Ashley.
Hello. A highlight definitely has been the Taj Mahal, because the Taj Mahal is the most amazing, beautiful building I think I've ever seen in my life. I think with your visa, I think it's just make sure that you know what you're doing when you apply for it, and it just takes some time because there's quite a lot of detail that you have to input and you have to get your days right. So just keep reading all the information online and make sure that you apply on the right day, or you might end up like me and having to pay extra money for stuff.
And did you figure out what the rules of the road were while you've been here in India?
Yes, it is just walk with confidence and then you won't die.
Well, that's very much appreciated. Thanks, Ashley. We really appreciate your comments.
Thank you very much, Rob and Peg.
We're lucky to be joined today by the lovely Doug.
Why, thank you. It's great to be here talking with you.
Thanks, Doug. So, you've been on the tour with us. What have been your highlights of the tour?
On a personal level, as far as the tour itself is concerned, I'd say visiting the Sikh temple in Delhi. It's just a real eye-opener to the Sikh religion and their philosophy on the religion and life. Oh, yeah, well, their whole focus on humanity, that we're all here, we're equal, and, it's basically just being kind to one another is what it's all about. Don't overpack. You'd be amazed at what you can get away with. Travel light. It's been a pleasure traveling with you two. It's been a lot of fun.
We've had a good group, haven't we?
We have.
So, we're lucky to be joined by Julie. Julie, how have you enjoyed the tour? What have been the highlights?
Had a great time. I think the Taj Mahal was probably a highlight. The Pink City of Jaipur was another highlight. And just witnessing the general chaos and busyness of the traffic in India and getting our heads around it. Yeah. And not getting run over crossing the road.
We were good crossing that.
Oh, we were, yeah. We're expert jaywalkers now. Oh, just come. Just come. Bring nice light clothing. Bring your hat, your sunscreen, but just come. Just do it. Just do it. No, don't hesitate, because it's amazing. Yeah, it's amazing. Yeah. I'd like to say how nice it's been to meet you and Rob, your cameraman there. It's been fabulous.
Thanks, Julie. It's been a pleasure.
Hey, everybody. How you doing? Thanks for having me. Yeah.
Oh, it's our pleasure, mate.
I love you guys.
Oh, yeah, it's just been amazing on this tour. You're the life and soul of the party. There's no question about that. How have you found it?
It's been amazing. Well, I mean, there's these two people on the tour, this Rob and Peg. But besides that, phenomenal. Truly an amazing experience. I will say, long and behold, the highlight. Don't tell him I said this.
We won't tell anyone.
It would be Jay.
Yeah.
It really would be Jay, yes.
Oh, that's a great answer.
Yes. Oh, thank you. Did you hear that, Jay? No, he's not even here right now. No, I know, yes. Yeah, it would be Jay. After that, I think it would be actually the cultural immersion. And then when we've been here, we've actually been to really like dive deep into the immersion and see how the people live here, and even how some of the, like, the less privileged people are here, which is really beautiful to see. You know, and see people have really gone through like really tough hardships. Yeah. Maybe don't taste everything. It's been an explosive journey, let us say.
We're not delve too deeply into that, but let's just say a few people have been affected.
Yes. With that too, though, have fun. Don't be too scared stopping the traffic, you know. Make sure use the force. Put the hand up, stop. They will stop. Have fun and enjoy yourself. You know, take every advantage you can, do every activity you can, and really immerse yourself. Most of the people here, everyone we've met so far has been beautiful. You know, I mean, keep your guard up. It's just like any big city, you know. You'll probably have scammers, you'll have hustlers, you'll have people trying to rip you off.
Yeah.
But you're also going to have some of the most beautiful people you'll ever meet in your life. Hey, I absolutely love you, Peg. You're the best, yeah. Wait, what's been your highlight?
I think the Dulla Village has probably been one of my real highlights. So just going around the village, staying overnight in the tents as well in that beautiful place. I think that was very peaceful. We've been in a lot of cities which have been fascinating, but it was good to go somewhere that was a bit more peaceful and rural. Yeah.
Let's flip the script here. Because, I mean, Peg and Rob, I've watched their channel. They are the real deal, I will say. Really and truly, these folks are amazing. Really blessed to be with them. What's been the most thought-provoking thing that you've experienced while you've been here?
Perhaps going to the street project where the guy was talking about him being a street kid at 9 and how he was addicted to drugs and things, and how he's turned his life around with the help of other people. And I kind of heard about these projects, but meeting somebody who's done that was quite mind-blowing for me. And I just thought he was a lovely guy.
He absolutely was. So.
Yeah.
Actually, to stem off it, actually, I want to say probably one of the highlights, or what I would highly recommend to everyone coming here, go to the Sikh temple.
Yeah.
Is it a temple?
Yeah.
I think so, yeah. The Sikh temple. Beautiful religion. They're not going to push anything onto you. They're not going to ask for money. You're going to see, and they feed so many people. It's free for everyone, all cultures, all ethnicities, you know, women, children, men, they're all the same. They all eat on the floor together. It's just absolutely stunning. That's truly probably like the highlight of this as well. Going to the Sikh temple, yeah. It's just so beautiful how they do it.
Mike, thank you.
Yeah. Namaste. Ram Ram.
We complete the Golden Triangle by driving back to New Delhi.
What an amazing time we've had, Peg.
It was beautiful. India, we love you. You're a beautiful country. Thank you for having us.
Yes, the Delhi belly I wasn't so keen on.
No, but that's just part of the course. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you want to subscribe, please do. Please hit the like button. And if you want to be notified, hit the notifications bell. Ta-da!
Bye.
To India, country of fun.